One such solution, which can be discussed publicly, and which I have described in detail in one of my previous addresses, is the experimental equipment developed by the interdisciplinary scientific team at Allatra. The operation of this equipment over a 10-year period from 2013 to 2023 had a mitigating effect primarily across the territory of Russia and the countries of Eastern Europe. It influenced atmospheric and hydrospheric processes, thereby preventing the intensification of winds, hurricanes, and anomalous precipitation. This equipment could not, in theory, offset seismic and volcanic activity occurring within the Earth's interior. However, in practice, a reduction in the intensity of seismic activity was observed. Throughout the period of the equipment's operation, the number of extreme events in Russia increased significantly more slowly than in other countries. This occurred despite the fact that in Siberia, air temperatures during that same period were rising 2.5 to 3 times faster than the global average, a consequence of the influence exerted by the Siberian magma plume. This experimental equipment was placed at this specific point on the globe, not for reasons of geopolitics or personal preference, but precisely because of the principal geodynamic threat, the Siberian magma plume, located on the territory of Russia, which in the event of an eruption could wipe out all of the planet. Given the accelerated warming observed in the Siberian region, the progression of climate-related disasters across Russian territory should have been markedly more severe. However, the facts indicate that over the span of 10 years, all parameters of extreme climate events in Russia were substantially lower than in other regions of the world. An analysis of open statistical data spanning several decades, which you now see on the screen, demonstrates that between 2013 and 2023, the rate of increase in both the intensity and frequency of climate-related disasters in these territories was indeed lower than in the rest of the world. During this same period in time, the world witnessed a continuous upward trend in climate-related disasters.